Welcome to MathMinder's Academy. Today we are mastering a foundational skill in mathematics, adding and subtracting integers. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tackle these problems with total confidence. Here is our game plan for this lesson. First, we will quickly define what integers are. Then we will learn how to add and subtract them flawlessly by mastering the correct way to use a number line. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an integer? Simply put, integers are whole numbers. They don't include fractions or decimals. They are made up of three parts. Negative numbers on the left, 0 right in the center, and positive numbers stretching out to the right. To move along the number line without making mistakes, we just need to remember two simple rules. Whenever we add a positive number, we move to the right. Whenever we add a negative number, we move to the left. Keep these directions in mind. Let's look at our first example. -4 plus 6. We always start at the first number, so let's place our marker at -4. Because we are adding a positive 6, we jump 6 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We land exactly on 2. So, -4 plus 6 equals positive 2. Next, -3 plus -5. Again, start at the first number, which is -3. This time, we are adding a negative number, which means we must move to the left. Let's take 5 jumps left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We finish at -8. Therefore, -3 plus -5 is -8. Let's try one more together. 8 plus -3. Start all the way over at positive 8. We are adding a -3, so we head left by 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. We land on 5. 8 plus -3 gives us a final answer of 5. Let's pause for a quick recap. If you are adding a positive number, your path always goes to the right. If you are adding a negative number, your path always goes to the left. It really is that straightforward. Now it's your turn. I'm going to show you 5 practice problems. I'll give you a 3-second countdown for each one, to think about the direction and the answer before the number line reveals the solution. Ready? Let's go. 5 plus -2. Think about it. We start at 5, move left 2 and get 3. -6 plus 9. Countdown. Start at -6, move right 9 and we land on 3. 7 plus -10. Analyze the signs. Start at 7, jump left 10, landing at -3. -4 plus -6. Watch the signs. Start at -4, move left 6, giving us -10. Last one. -9 plus 12. Final countdown. Start at -9, move right 12, and we finish at 3. Great job. Before we wrap up, let's look at a classic trap that trips up many students. A common mistake is starting your marker at the second number in the equation. For 5 plus 3, you should never start at 3. Always make sure your very first step is placing your marker on the first number. in this case 5. Time for today's ultimate challenge. What is -7 plus 15? You have 5 seconds on the clock to solve it. Go. Time's up. We start at -7, and since we are adding +15, we take 15 big jumps to the right. We cross 0 and land right on +8. If you got 8, outstanding work. Let's summarize what we mastered today. Integers include positives, negatives, and 0. Adding a positive means moving right, adding a negative means moving left, and success comes down to counting your jumps carefully every single time. Thank you for learning with MathMinders Academy today. If this lesson made integers easier to understand, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next lesson.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught